Welcome back to Vision Auto Garage, where I'm still hustling to get this Audi TT back on the road as quickly as possible. In yesterday's episode I started work on mechanicals and repairing the dent on the rear quarter. I'm still awaiting some parts for the drive shaft, so I'm going to push on with the paint and body now. I'm using a high solids 2K primer to cover the repair prior to a colour base coat. This is mixed 4 parts primer to 1 part hardener and thin to taste. Now that the high build primer is cured and the repair is all one colour, I can see there's a couple of areas that need a bit more work. There's an area where the filler is still a little bit high and the swage line in the arch is a little bit shallow around here. So I've got some 320 on the hard rubber block and I'm going to give it a bit more work. My dent repairs are now complete and I'm almost ready to start painting, but before I do I'm going to go around and check all my masking, especially where there's been water. After that I'll wipe over the whole car with a tap cloth and then panel wipe to make sure there's no dust or grease before I paint. Moments after spraying the base coat on the rear arch and bumper, a severe reaction flared up, most likely caused by a previous rattle can repair. Although somewhat of a setback, it's easily overcome by flatting back and using an isolator like this bar coat. The bar coat is applied straight out of the tin in a thin coat. Once it's cured, I was able to lay down 2 coats of Audi LY7W silver base. After allowing the base coat an hour or so to dry, I mixed up a batch of clear coat and set about spraying it. Well, I've just finished putting on the last coat of clear. Considering the reactions I had earlier today on the rear bumper, I'm very pleased with the results. I've put on 4 coats of clear coat, getting progressively heavier as I went. This has given me a really good depth of clear for flatting and polishing tomorrow. There are, however, a couple of small runs, but it's nothing I can't sort tomorrow. If you'd like any further information, photographs and videos of any of our projects, please check out our Facebook and Instagram accounts on the links below. Thanks for watching.